In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a box in TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's kick things off. First, if you haven't done so already, head over to your favorite web browser and type in TradingView to begin. You can quickly access the TradingView website through a simple Google search. Once you do that, you'll want to click on the first link to get to the TradingView homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you will select the trading pair you'd like to analyze. Search for the market pair relevant to you, whether it's stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies. Choose your desired pair and make sure you're ready to dive into the charting area. Once you've selected your pair, look for the option that says Full Chart. Clicking on this will take you to the detailed chart where all the fun happens. What you're looking for now is the toolbar usually located on the left side of the screen. In this toolbar, you'll find many tools, but what you're focused on is the Geometric Shapes tool. Click on this option and a submenu will appear. From that menu, select the rectangle shape. This tool is crucial because it will allow you to create a box around the price action on your chart. So now we're almost there. Take your mouse and click anywhere on the chart. That click will mark the starting point of your rectangle, but don't stop there. You need to click again at the opposite corner to finish drawing your box. It's like creating a selection, capturing the area of interest on your chart. At this point, you will notice that the rectangle has been drawn. However, to make sure you get the most precise placement, you can utilize the magnet tool. This feature allows your rectangle to snap to the wicks or the bodies of the candlesticks. It helps in aligning your box perfectly over significant price levels, ensuring that your drawing reflects the highest levels of precision. Now, why would you want to draw a box? Drawing a box can highlight key support and resistance areas, helping you visualize price ranges where the market has historically reversed or consolidated. It's a powerful tool for traders trying to make sense of complex data and price movement. And there you have it. What's important now is to play around with these tools. Adjust the size of your box, move it around, and get a feel for how it interacts with the price action on your chart. As you familiarize yourself with these steps, you'll find that drawing boxes can significantly enhance your ability to analyze trends and decide on trading strategies. So, whether you're new to trading or have been doing this for a while, mastering the use of a box in TradingView is essential for everyone looking to improve their charting skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips like this. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.